Join me as I tackle the challenge of mastering the present perfect continuous tense and show you just how it's done. The present perfect continuous tense is a fundamental aspect of English grammar that can sometimes feel a bit tricky to grasp. It's used to describe actions that started in the past and have continued up to the present moment. This tense is essential for effective communication in English, as it allows speakers to convey the duration and relevance of past actions to the present. One of the main reasons learners find the present perfect continuous confusing is that it's often compared to other tenses, such as the present perfect and the past simple. For instance, consider the sentence "I have lived in Paris for 5 years." This sentence implies that you started living in Paris 5 years ago and are still living there. However, if you want to emphasize the action of living in Paris as an ongoing process, you might use the present perfect continuous. I have been living in Paris for 5 years. The distinction can be subtle, but it's crucial for conveying the intended meaning. Another point of confusion is the similarity between the present perfect continuous and the past continuous tenses. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing at a specific point in the past, whereas the present perfect continuous highlights the connection between the past action and the present. For example, "I was studying when you called," past continuous, versus "I have been studying for 3 hours," present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous can also be tricky because it's not always clear when to use it versus the present perfect. A key difference is that the present perfect continuous emphasizes the ongoing nature of the action, while the present perfect focuses on the completion of the action. So, if you want to stress that you've been working on a project for months and are still working on it, you'd use the present perfect continuous. "I have been working on this project for 6 months." The structure of the present perfect continuous tense is relatively straightforward. It's formed with has/have plus been plus the ing form of the verb. For example, "I have been eating," "you have been studying," or "they have been traveling." This tense can be used in various contexts, such as talking about recent actions, describing ongoing processes, or expressing experiences that have a connection to the present. Mastering the present perfect continuous can significantly enhance your ability to express yourself clearly in English. By using this tense effectively, you can convey complex ideas about ongoing actions and their relevance to the present. For instance, saying "I have been learning English for 5 years" not only tells the listener how long you've been studying but also implies that you're still actively learning. Understanding the present perfect continuous can also help you to better comprehend native speakers and written texts. As you become more comfortable with this tense, you'll find that it adds nuance and precision to your communication. In summary, the present perfect continuous is a powerful tool for expressing ongoing actions that started in the past and continue up to the present. Its significance in English grammar and communication cannot be overstated. If you've got questions about the present perfect continuous or any other grammar topic, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other grammar videos for more tips and explanations to help you master English.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.